Now, I mentioned with this, making this my advice for making your shoes fit tighter, snugger. If they're too tight, not much you can do. Your shoes. Somebody said, let's say, if it's a fight between your feet and the shoes because the shoes are too tight, the shoes are going to win. If they're a bit loose, you can do something. You can, of course, put these. I've got the wrong one. You can, of course, put a liner in. So that will take up some. Often they don't seem to fit too. I don't know. It makes me feel also that my foot is up a bit, which is okay, and a bit like, I don't know, because they sort of give a bit of it. So you get used to it, I'm sure. But anyway, I prefer the idea of my foot being right in there on the shoe bed. So as you saw, perhaps in the other video, if it's just a little bit that needs doing, then I find this. You can see I put a pad in there, which is the shoe liner, but I've cut it so that it's, and use double-sided tape. Of course, you can undo it later. You just peel it back off again. Put a bit of talcum powder if it's sticky. So I do that and stick that under the tongue, which, as you can see, gives that little bit of extra when you pull the laces. I used to cut them this shape. I've changed it. Doesn't seem to be the best. I did it like that. But these days, I cut them with a curve this way and going down there a bit. So it would be that shape round there, and round here it would be this kind of shape going there a little. So you can fill it out just a little bit there as well. That seems to work quite well for me if it's just a little bit you need. Sometimes this is a bit too much, and you can pull the rubber off and just have the leather. Can you see that? So I can pull that rubber off and just have the leather if this is if it just needs just a little. Let me show you here a pair that needed adjusting. This is a pair of hand grade. What are they? All handwritten in there. Canon with a double N. You've seen these before. I've done something on them. These have been back just for the heel. That's original. Hand grade with a concealed channel. These I found, now slip-ons, you've got to be careful, haven't you, because there's not much adjustment you can do. Well, these are monk straps, so they've got the strap there. And I found them just a little bit, I wanted them a little bit, holding on a little bit more. So on both of these, you can see I've done that. I've put my liner in there. Of course, it doesn't show. Well, it doesn't if you do that, but not when you're just wearing them. You might say, well, why did you do that? Because you've got the strap. True. But when I put the strap there to tighten it, I don't know, quite a bit of this was showing down there. It sort of flapped about, not flapped, caught in things occasionally. And I just didn't like the balance, didn't look right. Somehow that looks, to me, when that was pulled tighter and that was longer, just looked like that was too long. So, who cares really? Obviously I do. By doing this, job done. Nobody can see. And that's that. Okay, one more video. Not Crockett and Jones this time, but Barker. They need some attention. I'll show you.